Tasia, aka Tay, rolling with Tay, and I'm at the Florida Inline Skate Marathon Expo, and I am at Mars Skate, their booth, and I'm standing with Mars Skate herself, and she has skate suits. So I actually just bought my second skate suit, because I bought one in Berlin, but I haven't worn it since Berlin. But tomorrow, I will be rocking Mars Skate.
Yes.
Skin suit. That's what it's called, right?
Yeah.
It's called a skin suit.
Yes, it's called a skin suit. Yes, skin suit.
Okay.
Yeah, for skating.
Right. All right. So, you skate.
I do. I'm a marathon skater. And so I started Mars Skate because I couldn't find any suits that I liked. Different, unique, which is me. So I designed them. I decided that I would design my own suits. And then I would share it with the rest of the skate community.
Nice.
Yeah.
And when did you start this?
I've been doing it for about 3 years now.
3 years.
Yeah. So it's kind of brand new. I'm getting out there, throwing myself out there.
Listen, I'm excited. I'm excited to wear it.
Me too.
And then I'm gonna order some more.
Oh!
But you know what that means? I have to not only upgrade my skates,
Yes,
but
please.
I have to be out there more skating.
Yeah. So we can hook up in New York, right?
Yep.
Yeah, we can hook up in New York because I want to do the New York one.
Okay.
You've already done the Minnesota, Berlin. I haven't done those yet, but yeah. This one's gonna be interesting. This one's gonna be interesting for us both, I think.
Definitely for me. Okay. All right. That's dope. Okay. All right. So the skin suit.
Yeah.
What is special about it? Why should I not wear just my regular old
shorts and t-shirts?
Yeah.
Okay. So when I decided to design them, I wanted to figure out why do you need a skin suit? First of all, it's aerodynamic. So when you're skating, you want the wind to pass you. You don't want the wind to pull you back. So the skin suit is stuck to your skin, so it gives you that edge. It gives you that ability to kind of skate through the wind. Versus shorts and a t-shirt, the wind is going to take it. It's going to blow you back. And you can see it when you have on shorts and when you have on a t-shirt, you can see the wind catching it and blowing you back. So with being in a different, I do skating for fitness. But with me being able to take my skating to another level, I wanted the skin suit to allow me to get that extra speed, I need help. Me too. So I needed as much help as I could get. So I researched it, and skin suits gives you that little edge, gives you that little help that you need for us amateurs.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, not professional, but we try.
Okay. Similar to a cycling jersey.
Right. Yeah.
And a cycling kit.
Right.
Okay.
Similar to that, because they use it for the same thing.
Yep.
They use it to break the wind. Yeah. Yeah. Break through it. Yeah. Okay. So that's what we're doing tomorrow. We're breaking through the wind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how many times have you done this marathon?
This will be my 3rd year doing the marathon. Yeah, it's good. I'm doing a half this year, not the full. I feel confident in the half, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm about having confidence, and I feel confident in that. 26 this year, not so confident in that. So I'm doing what I know.
That's what's up. Yeah.
And confident.
Yes.
And can finish.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, we both gonna finish.
Yes.
That's the goal.
Speak that into existence.
Yeah,
Finish.
Just finish.
Right, without injury.
Without injury, nobody's falling.
Right.
We're gonna finish, and we're gonna finish with some good time.
Right.
On some good time.
Exactly. And we're gonna look good in those skin suits.
Yes, and we're gonna look good doing it. Right. That's 2. We got a couple more other people that'll be out here in the Mars Skate skin suits too. So we'll be looking out for them.
Right. Representing.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for speaking with me.
You're welcome.
Thank you for the skin suit.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you for purchasing. Thank you for stopping. Thank you for seeing me. Thank you for liking my product. Thank you. Thank you for this podcast. How y'all out there?
And where can people find more about you in the skin suit?
Okay, so my website is marskate.com. Go to the website. You can follow me on Instagram. I am Marskate on Instagram. And of course, my email is info@marskate.com. So you can message me. You can send me a message on Facebook. You can send me a message on Instagram. And you can go to my website.
right. Well, thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
And you will see us tomorrow out there.